A very beautiful morning to all. So today is our English class, so let's do the work. So kids, today we are going to do use of a and an. Okay, so आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? आज हम today we are going to understand something new, that is the use of a and an. Okay, so as we know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. हमें पता है दैट देर आर 26 लेटर्स इन इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट. आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो. मैंने आपको लास्ट क्लास में आई हैव टोल्ड यू दिस, मैंने आपको बताया था. आउट ऑफ विच 5 आर वाउल्स. यू नो दैट हाउ मेनी वाउल्स आर देयर? आउट ऑफ 26 देर आर 5 वाउल्स, दैट इज़ A, E, I, O and U. And rest 21s are consonants. So rest 21s out of 26, 21 are consonants. So consonants are like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K. So all these are consonants out of these alphabets or letters. So where now the thing is like where we will put A and where we will put N. So the words which start with the consonant, जो words किन से start होते हैं? consonant से. like B से, C से, starts with D, F, M और we can say starts with T. तो इन सारे words, इन सारे alphabets से, इन सारे letters से जो इन सबको consonants कहते हैं, जो इनसे जो words start होते हैं उनके आगे we will put A. क्या लगाते हैं उनके आगे? A. And the word which start with vowel sound, जो vowel sound के से start होते हैं like A, E, I, O, U, जो इन alphabet से, इन letters से start होते हैं जो words, तो there we will put N. Okay, so understood? हमें A कहाँ लगाना है? Before the word which start with the consonant. And N कहाँ लगाना है? Before the word which starts with vowel. Okay, so I'll tell you. For example, here I have written dash bat. So bat starts with B. So B is consonant. So here what we will write? A or N? Yes, we will write A. A bat. So this is apple. Apple starts with A. So A is vowel. So here we will put N. A-N. An apple. Next is umbrella. Umbrella starts with U and U is vowel. So here again we will write AN. And here I have written car. So car starts with C. C is consonant. So here will come A. Okay. So I hope you all have understood the use of A and N. Before the word we start with the vowel, we will put N, and before the word which start with the consonant we will put A. So now I am giving you some more words. So let's do it. So here I have written write A or N before each word. So I have drawn some pictures and I have written the name of those pictures, of these pictures. So you have to write A or N before these words. So this is tree. Tree starts with T. So here what we will write? Yes, we will write a tree. This is I. I starts with E. E is vowel, so we will write AN and I. This is picture of ball. Here I have written ball. Ball starts with B. So what will come here? Yes, a ball. This is pot. I have written here pot. This is P. P starts with consonant. So here will come a pot. Now this is egg. Egg starts with E. E is vowel. So here will come N. And the last one is cake. Cake starts with C. C is consonant. So we will write here a cake. So I hope you all have understood this exercise, use of A and N. Okay. So hurry up, do it and send it to me. And one more thing, this you have to do in your copy. Okay, only this you have to do. This is your classwork, so don't forget to write the date and the classwork and the heading of this exercise on the top. And like this you all have to draw the pictures and you all have to color it also. Okay, so hurry up, do it and send it to me. So our next work is dictation words. So for that you have to take out a new page, fresh page, and you have to write the date and the class work. And like this there are 20 dictation words. So like this you have to put write the numbers and see. First is bed, B-E-D, bed. K-I-T-E, kite. C-A-R, car. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. B-O-A-T, boat. J-E-E-P, jeep. B-E-S-T, best. D-U-C-K, duck. N-E-C-K, neck. S-H-A-R-E, share. B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. J-U-M-P, jump. B-O-O-K, book. C-O-O-K, cook. P-I-C-K, pick. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. W-A-S-H, wash. B-R-I-N-G, bring. W-A-T-C-H, watch. C-L-O-C-K, clock. So like this you will have to write the dictation words in your notebook. And one more thing, that you all have to write in cursive form only. I don't want that you all are writing in capital and small alphabets. Now you all are grown up kids and you all have to write in cursive form like this, like ma'am has written in notebook. So hurry up, do it and send it to me.